Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths with Shaurya. So today we will study about Roman numeral. Basic rule. First of all, without wasting any time, we are starting basic Roman numeral. So 1, 5, X, L, C, D, M are basic Roman numeral, and in the numeral means number form. What we tell 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, M is equal to 1000, D 500, C 100, L 50, X 10, V 5, I we tell as I 1. Now rules for forming Roman numeral. So first rule, there are total 4 rules. So first rule is equals to rule 1, repetition of Roman numeral means addition. Simple rule it is. So first of all, we start with an example. Example tell us that repetition, I have taken x 3 times. So there are x is equals to 10. There are 3 times 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 30. So this is also is equals to 30. Simple rule. So there are 2 more rules of this rule only. You can't understand what I have tell. So I am telling you with the numbers. So first is equals to any Roman numeral can't repeat it more than 3 times. Like x, we can't repeat it. Any Roman numeral 3 times. It is only correct, and x is wrong. So now second is some Roman numerals are can't repeated more than 1 time only. So that is V means 5 only. When I am telling you V 5, because V and V is equals to 10, but there is a personal sign for 10, that is X. Simple. Now let's start with rule 2. Rule 2 tell us that if smaller numeral written to the right of larger numeral is always added. See, we take an example like now we take x and v. So a smaller numeral written to the right of larger numeral. X is bigger because x is equals to 10, v is equals to 5. We have written v in right side and left x. So is equals to 15. This is also very simple. Now let's come to the rule 3. Rule 3 is also very simple. So rule 3 tell us is the opposite of this rule. Rule 2, when we come to the rule 3, it is just opposite of the rule 2. So a smaller rule 2 tell us the smaller numeral written to the right of larger numeral is always added. So a larger numeral, I am telling rule 3. If a larger numeral written to the left of smaller numeral is always added. Sorry, right of smaller numeral is always subtracted. So now I am writing rule 3 in my own words. So if larger numeral if larger numeral written to the right of larger numeral is always subtracted. So let's take an example. Example is equals to x and l. See, it is equals to 40. Why? XL is equals to 40 because x is equals to 10, L is equals to 50. We will minus this is equals to 40 because rule 3 tells us if a larger numeral written to the right, this is right, of the smaller numeral is always subtracted. We have subtracted, answer is 40. Now rule 4 and the last rule is equals to that. So friends, rule 4 tell us that if a smaller numeral placed between two larger numeral is subtracted from the larger numeral. See, you can't understand rule 4 because it is little bit difficult, but it is easy also. So example is equals to that XIV is equals to that it is 14. Simply it is 14. So I am telling you with the numeral, simple numeral XIV. X is equals to 10. It is a smaller one and V 5. So 10 only. Then 5 we can minus 10 minus 1 we can't because rule 3 tells us that if a larger numeral written to the right and smaller to the left. So we will minus V minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. So is equals to 10 plus 4, 14. So I have completed this rules. Now last it is not a rule, I am explaining you Hindu-Arabic. What is Hindu-Arabic? Hindu-Arabic is normal simple numeral. What is Hindu-Arabic? Arabic. Sorry, it is Arabic. So Arabic. What is Hindu-Arabic? So Hindu-Arabic is normal numeral. See, x 10. See, x is equals to Roman numeral. 10 is equals to h. So when I have explained you this first basic Roman numeral, so these are Roman numeral and these are Hindu-Arabic simple rule. So in this I have finished my video. If you like it, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.